All right. Can this tool called Jupyter help you create better visuals with AI? Uh, let's kind of jump to the end and figure out live. All right. I'm going to explain this here in a second, but let's go ahead. We're going to kind of jump. We're going to jump to the middle here. And I'm going to explain everything that's going on because we do this all live. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new AI video. Um, Again, don't worry. I just I just explained, or I will explain here in a second what's happening, what's going on. We're just going to give this a little bit of time to process. All right, so let's go back and talk about what the heck is going on as we give this some time. So this is our AI test. So we're going to continue and let's talk about this. So this is Jupyter, a new video or AI video editing piece of software that essentially it's going to help you create some B-roll or some video that can go along. So someone like myself, if you're a content creator, small business owner, putting out educational videos, training videos, you don't just want it to be a talking head like this. So this Jupyter video AI video editing software essentially will let you highlight different things in your video and create some essentially B-roll for it. So let's go back in and see how this works. Actually, let me tell you what this is first. This is one of the ones where we're all over the place. So this is the AI in 5 from Everyday AI. So my name's Jordan Wilson, and I'm the host of Everyday AI. We are a daily live stream podcast newsletter helping everyday people learn and leverage AI, artificial intelligence. So let's learn and leverage some AI. Here's how it's going to go. Let's just jump in now and see what's happening inside Jupyter. These, as you can tell, we don't pre-record, edit these to make it all nice and fluffy. We do all these things live and in real time. All right. So I uploaded this video here. I have a free, there's a free account. It looks like it gives you about 10 minutes. So it's going through and generating some visuals and subtitles right now. So as we do that, let's just kind of go ahead and see kind of more features of this product as we let it work in the background. We try to always do these things in 5 minutes. Sometimes it goes a little longer. So this again is Jupyter AI Video, and it creates B-roll for creators. So kind of like I talked about, it looks like what we're going to be able to do is just highlight some text from the transcription and create B-roll video from that. So they just launched on Product Hunt today. That's where I found them. And it says kind of the promise is you can kind of create your video easily like a Word doc. That should probably say create your video easily like a Word doc. But so it looks like something if you've used Descript, you can kind of do this for audio. And there's other kind of AI powered programs out there that allow you to create different visuals in different ways, just with a transcript like Pictory is one. There's a couple Chat GPT plugins that do this whole process for you, actually, just based on a text prompt. So this is where you might want to combine the different elements of like, hey, I'm a real person talking to you. So it could be kind of an in between. So let's jump in and kind of see how it's going. So far, one thing I'll notice, and again, maybe it's because it's a new product. It's a little slow. It's a little slow. Still not a lot going on. So I'm going into the visuals. Nothing's in. So what I'm going to do is, it looks like this is saved as a draft. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to kind of the dashboard. Sometimes these products just need a little refreshing, when you go in there. So I'm going to go into my my library here. So let's see. So nothing. All right. So here is our AI test. One thing I would recommend is they need a little bit better kind of progress bar. Okay. So it looks like it's finally loaded. Took a little while, but that's okay. So one thing I noticed. All right. All right. So it added a fade in, fade out, but that's fine. So in this example, I intentionally talked about things that I thought were very visual and would be hopefully easy to to explain. So let's just try this. So I talk about basketball. So let's just say different sports like basketball. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to click generate visuals. Let's give it a little bit of time here. All right, so that wasn't bad. Let's see if it has it. So maybe we're talking about different sports. Maybe we're talking about different sports like basketball. So I like basketball. I've always played basketball. I've
All right.
always played
So
basketball. Not bad. We got some B-roll of basketball. Let's give it one more. So I talk about artificial intelligence. Okay, let's try this. I'm going to do something that is kind of multiple thoughts here. So I'm going to highlight this. We're talking a little bit about artificial intelligence, and then we're also talking a little bit about learning new subjects. So let's give this a second. Let's see what kind of video it is going to generate when we kind of bounce between multiple subjects here. So let's go ahead and give it a look and see what it came up. I work a lot in artificial intelligence, uh, working with data and graphs and helping people learn new subjects. I like that. I like being able to help people learn new subjects. I think it's great. All right. So it's kind of to be expected. So I think this has some promise. This Jupitrr, I would be probably their ideal, you know, client or customer. I do a lot of video recordings, usually a little more organized than this. And I don't necessarily just want my head. And sometimes I'm sharing a screen. So again, I think this feature just launched today, or I don't know if Jupitrr itself just launched today. So I'd say there's promise. It's a little right now. It's a little buggy. The UI is a little confusing. As an example, I would love a progress bar to let me know when it's working. I didn't know. I just had to jump around from window to window to see when it's working. A progress bar, or even letting me know like what's happening. The same thing, I think, when generating these, highlighting the text and generating AI powered B-roll, I think is great. But it was the UX, the user experience was a little sticky compared to other platforms I used. However, I haven't really used any platforms that kind of combine, using kind of AI to create visuals with kind of a person talking. So great use case. It is very, I think, tons of potential with this one. Might not be ready as of today. I'm sure they have a lot of traffic to their website, which might mean things are moving a little slower. So probably one that we'll keep an eye on in the future. So if this was helpful, I hope it was. Please go to youreverydayai.com. Sign up for the free daily newsletter where we do the AI in 5 every day. So hope to see you back for another AI in 5. Thanks, y'all.